there are many reasons that go into deciding what is a good restaurant, like service, how clean it is. But my important reasons is how tasty the food is. Because food is very important to decide the restaurant's skill. And we can see how good the restaurant uses the ingredients. Now I'll talk about my favorite two restaurants. First restaurant is Noodle Tree. That's in front of the Happy Glutinous Rice Cake. I like it because its menu are tasty overall, and also its service is good. Lastly, Noodle Tree is good at plating, so I feel the food is more tasty. My favorite food at Noodle Tree is gyudon. Second restaurant is Pizza Hut. That's located in 417 Junganglo. I don't really like pizza, but the only one I like is Halabon Gorgonzola pizza because I like its unique taste. Also, Pizza Hut's cook is kind to me, and pizza is not expensive, so I can eat pizza without using lots of money. I recommend the Halabon Gorgonzola pizza. These are my favorite restaurants. Thank you for listening.